Introduction to resistance bands in rehab.
Resistance bands are a versatile tool for post-injury rehabilitation. They help restore strength, mobility, and flexibility without putting too much strain on healing tissues. Because resistance bands come in different levels, they can be adapted to suit your specific stage of recovery, making them an ideal choice for both beginners and those returning to regular activity.
Benefits of resistance band exercises after injury.
Using resistance bands during rehab supports gradual progress. They provide controlled resistance, which helps prevent overexertion and re-injury. Bands are also light and portable, making it easy to continue therapy at home. Whether you are recovering from a joint, muscle, or ligament injury, bands can target specific areas while reducing the pressure on other parts of the body.
Upper body rehab. Sample resistance band moves.
For shoulder or arm injuries, try gentle external rotations, shoulder abductions, and bicep curls. Secure the band at a stable anchor or under your foot. Start with light resistance and slow, controlled movements. Focus on pain-free range of motion, gradually increasing difficulty as strength returns. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting new exercises.
Lower body rehab. Band exercises for recovery.
For knee, ankle, or hip rehab, resistance bands can aid recovery. Common exercises include seated leg extensions, standing hamstring curls, and side-lying hip abductions. Loop the band around your ankle or thigh for these moves. Begin with low resistance and prioritize form to avoid strain. These exercises can improve stability and help rebuild strength.
Tips for safe and effective band training.
Progress slowly and listen to your body. Check your resistance band for wear before each use. Maintain controlled movements and proper posture during every exercise. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain. Regularly update your routine based on feedback from your physical therapist. With patience, resistance bands can be a safe and efficient part of your post-injury rehab journey.